Once again, mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa iyong support. Woo! Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, starting point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Diba Isitano'y Babiskaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines North, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Taunto, Visayas, Siot, Tagos, Tamis, Opunat, and Corn. Ay, yeah. Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, ay, yeah. Bukol, Samar, Leyte, ay, yeah. Iloilo, Capiz, Taclan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacoor, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambaho, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan, Uro, Diligan, Samis, and 3 provinces of Davao, Davao de Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Tulanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, ay, yeah. Philippines has a great history, ay, yeah. Manila is the capital city, ay, yeah. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.